Welcome back, dear viewers, to another exciting episode of Discover Chile. Today, we are embarking on a journey through the lush vineyards and rolling hills of Chile's wine country, as we explore one of the most charming and unique experiences this country has to offer: the Tren del Vino, or the wine train. Chile is renowned for its world-class wine production, and the wine train is a delightful way to immerse yourself in the heart of this wine culture while enjoying stunning scenery along the way. The Tren del Vino operates in the Colchagua Valley, one of Chile's premier wine regions. The train journey takes you through this valley, known for its exceptional Cabernet Sauvignon wines. Did you know that the wine train was initiated by the renowned Casa Silva winery in Chile? It started as a unique way to showcase their wines and has since become a beloved attraction for wine enthusiasts from around the world. The Tren del Vino offers a luxurious experience, with wine tastings, gourmet meals, and live entertainment on board. It's not just a train ride, it's a full sensory experience. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Tren del Vino is its commitment to sustainability. It's a green journey through wine country. Here's another secret. The train journey is not just about wine, it's a historical and cultural adventure too. The route takes you past charming villages and historical landmarks, giving you a glimpse into Chile's rich heritage. It's a journey through time as well as through vineyards. You can savor traditional Chilean cuisine and buy artisanal products that make perfect souvenirs. As we continue our journey on the Tren del Vino, you'll be amazed by the variety of vineyards you can visit along the way. Each stop offers a unique wine tasting experience, showcasing different grape varieties and winemaking techniques. Here's a little-known fact. Many vineyards along the Tren del Vino route produce limited-edition wines exclusively available to train passengers. It's a chance to savor some of Chile's finest, rarest wines that you won't find anywhere else. Besides the exquisite wines, the Tren del Vino offers live entertainment on board. From traditional Chilean folk music to contemporary bands, you can groove to the rhythm of Chilean culture while sipping your favorite wine. Here's a secret vista. The train makes stops at breathtaking viewpoints, allowing you to soak in panoramic views of the Colchagua Valley. The Tren del Vino isn't just about wine and landscapes, it's about the people who make it all happen. You'll have the chance to meet winemakers and vineyard owners, hearing their stories and passion for winemaking. Did you know that some vineyards offer blending workshops during the train journey? You can become a winemaker for a day, mixing different varietals to create your unique bottle of wine, complete with a personalized label. Here's a hidden treasure. Some vineyards feature stunning gardens with sculptures and art installations, offering a unique blend of nature and culture for you to explore. One of the most incredible aspects of the Tren del Vino is the passion for wine that permeates every part of the journey. The winemakers and guides on board are not just knowledgeable, they're truly passionate about sharing their love for Chilean wine with you. Here's a hidden treasure. Some vineyards have impressive wine libraries with rare and aged bottles. You can participate in grape harvesting, blending workshops, or even try your hand at making traditional empanadas with local chefs. Beyond the vineyards, the Tren del Vino also offers a chance to immerse yourself in Chilean culture. Here's a little-known fact. Some vineyards have ancient wine caves dating back centuries, where the wine matures in ideal conditions. The Tren del Vino isn't just about indulgence, it also supports social responsibility initiatives in the local communities. Many vineyards invest in education, healthcare, and housing for their workers and families. Here's a hidden gem. Some vineyards have art galleries featuring local artists' work. It's a fusion of fine art and fine wine, adding an extra layer of cultural depth to your journey. As we conclude our exploration of the Tren del Vino, I want to express my gratitude for being part of this incredible journey. Chile's wine train is not just about tasting wine, it's about connecting with people, culture, and the soul of Chile. As we delve deeper into the enchanting world of the Tren del Vino, it's important to note that some of the train carriages used for this journey are vintage treasures, meticulously restored to their former glory. These heritage carriages add a touch of nostalgia and charm to your wine tasting experience. Here's a historical gem. The railway that the Tren del Vino travels on has its roots dating back to the late 19th century. It played a pivotal role in connecting Chile's wine-producing regions to the rest of the country. Environmental sustainability is a core value of many vineyards along the Tren del Vino route. From preserving biodiversity to using eco-friendly packaging, These vineyards are committed to protecting the environment. Here's a little-known fact. Some vineyards along the Tren del Vino route have ancient grapevines that are over a century old. The Tren del Vino also offers a chance to create personalized memories. You can purchase customized bottles of wine with your own labels, perfect for commemorating your journey. Remember, the Tren del Vino is not just a train ride. It's a celebration of Chilean culture, history, and the exquisite flavors of its wines. As we journey through the Tren del Vino, you'll discover a wide range of grape varieties, each offering its own unique flavor profile. From the robust Cabernet Sauvignon to the crisp Sauvignon Blanc, Chile's wine country has something to delight every palate. Here's an intriguing tidbit. Some vineyards along the Tren del Vino route experiment with lesser-known grape varieties, producing limited batches that are exclusive to the train passengers. It's a chance to taste the future of Chilean wine. Throughout the year, the Tren del Vino coincides with various local wine festivals and events. Wine pairing is an art, and the Tren del Vino takes it to the next level. You can enjoy carefully curated wine and food pairings that enhance the flavors of both, guided by expert sommeliers. The Tren del Vino isn't just about wine, it's about the communities it supports. Many vineyards engage with local artisans, offering their crafts and products at the stations, helping sustain local economies. I invite you to hop aboard this wine train and create your own unforgettable memories. Whether you're a wine connoisseur or simply someone seeking beauty and culture, the Tren del Vino promises an extraordinary experience that will leave you with a newfound appreciation for Chile's wine heritage. Terroir, the unique combination of soil, climate, and geography, plays a crucial role in winemaking. Sharing stories and laughter with fellow passengers from around the world adds a layer of camaraderie that makes the journey even more special. Whether you're an avid wine enthusiast or someone looking to discover the heart of Chile, the Tren del Vino promises an unforgettable journey that will leave you with cherished memories. As we explore the Tren del Vino, it becomes evident that winemaking is not just a profession, it's an art form. Aging wine is an art, and the Tren del Vino allows you to explore this artistry firsthand. Here's a hidden treasure. Some vineyards on the Tren del Vino route have old vineyards with grapevines that are over a century old. The Tren del Vino is not just a train journey, it's an expedition of the senses. As our enchanting voyage through the Tren del Vino comes to a close, I want to express my deepest gratitude for being part of this incredible adventure. I extend an invitation to you to experience the beauty, culture, and flavors of Chile on this extraordinary wine train. Whether you're an enophile or simply a seeker of beauty and culture, the Tren del Vino offers an exceptional journey that promises lasting memories. The Tren del Vino offers a unique opportunity to taste exclusive wines that aren't widely available. Did you know that some vineyards offer vertical tastings? This allows you to sample multiple vintages of the same wine, revealing how each year's climate and conditions influence the final product. The Tren del Vino also supports local artisans. At various stops, you'll find craft markets where you can purchase handmade souvenirs and products, supporting the talented communities along the route. As our remarkable journey through the Tren del Vino draws to a close, I want to express my deepest appreciation for joining us on this unforgettable adventure. I extend an invitation to you to embark on your own exploration of Chile's wine country. Whether you're an avid wine enthusiast or simply seeking an extraordinary cultural experience, the Tren del Vino promises an unparalleled journey filled with extraordinary discoveries. As we venture further into the Tren del Vino experience, you'll notice that it's not just about wine, it's about fostering a sense of community. Passengers often share stories and make connections, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere on board. While the Tren del Vino is renowned for its wine, it also offers a gastronomic journey that's nothing short of extraordinary. Each vineyard's culinary offerings are carefully curated to complement the wines, providing a rich and diverse dining experience. The artistry of winemaking extends to bottle design. Some vineyards specialize in producing fine Chilean sparkling wines, offering you a delightful taste of effervescence. Here's a hidden treasure. Some vineyards have their own private wine collections, featuring rare and aged bottles that they occasionally share with Tren del Vino passengers during special tastings. While daytime journeys offer stunning landscapes, the Tren del Vino also provides magical night rides. Imagine sipping wine under a starlit sky as the train meanders through Chile's wine country. Did you know that some vineyards on the Tren del Vino route offer special wine blending sessions for passengers? It's a chance to create your unique blend and take home a one-of-a-kind bottle. Some vineyards offer delectable wine and chocolate tastings, inviting you to indulge in the sweet symphony of flavors. Here's an intriguing tidbit. Some vineyards on the Tren del Vino route offer exclusive access to their underground wine caves, where you can witness the art of aging wine in ideal conditions. Imagine having a picnic amidst the vineyards, surrounded by lush grapevines and breathtaking scenery. Some vineyards offer gourmet picnic experiences, allowing you to savor both wine and nature. Did you know that some vineyards host vertical and horizontal wine tastings? These unique experiences let you explore how different vintages and varietals evolve over time. The Tren del Vino journey goes beyond taste. It's also about exploring the aromatic world of wine. Some vineyards have aromatic gardens where you can immerse yourself in the scents that define each varietal. Barrel tastings are a highlight of the Tren del Vino experience. You can sample wines still aging in oak barrels, experiencing the evolving flavors that will develop over time. As our captivating journey through the Tren del Vino concludes, I want to express my deepest gratitude for being a part of this remarkable adventure. I invite you to embark on your own personal exploration of Chile's wine country. Whether you're an enthusiast or simply seeking a unique cultural experience, the Tren del Vino promises an extraordinary voyage filled with countless wonders waiting to be uncovered. Cheers to the Tren del Vino, a voyage brimming with experiences, aromas, and the shared joy of discovery. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with fellow explorers. Until our next journey of fascination, this is Discover Chile.